Windows play a vital role in the comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency of your home. In Scottsdale, where the desert climate brings extreme heat and fluctuating temperatures, having the right windows is especially important. Over time, even the best windows will show signs of wear and tear, and knowing when to replace them can save you money and improve your home's overall performance. Here are the top signs it's time for window replacement in Scottsdale homes. Difficulty opening or closing windows. One of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your windows is if they are difficult to open or close. Scottsdale's intense sun can cause window frames, especially those made of wood, to warp and crack over time. If your windows are sticking, jamming, or refusing to lock properly, it's more than just an inconvenience, it could also be a security issue. Replacing old, warped windows with modern, easy-to-operate ones will not only enhance safety but also boost comfort and airflow throughout your home. Drafts coming through closed windows. Scottsdale's climate, with its scorching summers, makes it essential to have windows that provide a proper seal. If you feel a draft coming through your windows even when they are closed, it's a clear sign that they are no longer functioning as they should. Drafty windows can significantly increase your energy bills as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can improve your home's insulation and reduce both energy consumption and costs. Condensation between the glass panes. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, it means the seals have failed. This is a common issue in Scottsdale homes due to the intense sun, which can cause the seals to deteriorate over time. When the seals fail, moisture gets trapped between the panes, leading to fogging, reduced visibility, and less effective insulation. Replacing these windows with new ones featuring better seals and energy-efficient glass can restore clarity and improve the comfort of your home. High energy bills. If your energy bills seem to be climbing, your windows may be a contributing factor. In Scottsdale, where air conditioning is a must for much of the year, inefficient windows can let in too much heat during the day, forcing your air conditioning unit to work harder. Older windows, particularly single-pane ones, offer poor insulation compared to modern, energy-efficient options. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows, such as those with low emissivity coatings and gas-filled panes, can help reduce the amount of heat transfer, keeping your home cooler and lowering your energy costs. Visible damage to window frames or glass. Any visible damage to the window frames or glass is a strong indicator that it's time for a replacement. Cracks, chips, or rotting frames not only look unattractive but can also compromise the structural integrity of your windows. Scottsdale's extreme heat and occasional monsoon storms can cause wood frames to warp, crack, or rot. Vinyl or aluminum frames may become brittle and crack over time. Replacing damaged windows will not only enhance your home's aesthetic appeal but also improve its security and energy efficiency. Excessive noise from outside. Are you hearing a lot more noise from the outside world lately? Scottsdale's streets, with the constant hum of traffic and other urban noises, can be quite loud. If your windows aren't providing adequate soundproofing, they may no longer be performing as they should. Modern windows, especially double or triple pane models, are designed to significantly reduce noise infiltration. Replacing your old windows can bring peace and quiet back into your home while improving energy efficiency at the same time. Outdated appearance. Windows are one of the most prominent features of your home's exterior, and outdated windows can drag down its curb appeal. If your windows look old, worn, or out of style, it may be time for an update. New windows can give your home a fresh, modern appearance while also adding value to your property. Scottsdale homeowners often prefer sleek, energy-efficient designs that complement the desert landscape while enhancing the look of their homes. Water damage or leaks. If you notice water stains, mold, or peeling paint around your windows, it's a sign that moisture is getting in where it shouldn't be. Scottsdale's rare but heavy monsoon rains can test the durability of your windows. If your windows are leaking, they can cause significant damage to your home's walls, floors, and foundation. Replacing leaking windows with well-sealed, water-resistant ones can prevent costly repairs down the road. Recognizing the signs that it's time to replace your windows can help Scottsdale homeowners avoid high energy bills, prevent further damage, and improve overall comfort. Whether it's drafts, damaged frames, or condensation, investing in new, energy-efficient windows will make a noticeable difference in the performance and appearance of your home. Don't wait until the problems worsen. Upgrading your windows now can save you time, money, and stress later on.